Hi learners, welcome to today's lesson. In our topic today, we are going to continue with our last topic on ratio and proportion. Last time we did ratio, today we are going to concentrate on proportion. Remember to subscribe into my YouTube channel if you are new. For those who have already subscribed, continue sharing, liking and leaving comments. So in our lesson today, we're going to talk about proportion. We're going to see how work can be done in different fashion. When you are more, when there are less people, when there are more, we're going to see how we can share that work. Welcome to today's lesson. In our first question today, learners, we are going to tackle the first question, and it reads as follows. A contractor hired 5 people to complete a job in 6 days. 2 of the workers did not turn up for the job. How many more days were needed to complete the job? First of all, you are told that a contractor hired 5 people to complete a job in 6 days. Unfortunately, we are told that 2 workers did not turn up, meaning they were not present. And initially, he wanted 5 workers and 2 failed to turn up. So how many workers will be there? It is 5 minus 2 mental sum, which gives us 3 workers. So what are you supposed to do now? We cancel where possible. By 3, 1. By 3, 2. You multiply 5 times 2. You get that those 3 people who turned up for the work, they will take 10 days. But our question asks, how many more days were needed to complete the job? If all workers had turned up, they needed 6 days. But if 2 failed, they did the work in 10 days. So how many more? It is 10, take away 6, which gives us 4 more days. In our second question, the question read, 15 people working at the same rate would complete some work in 10 days. How many days would 6 people needed to complete the same work? Very simple, learners. It is 15 people times the number of days that they will work, which is 10 days, all over the number of people who did the work, who were 6. Then you cancel where possible. By 3, 2, by 3, 5, by 2, 1, by 2, 5. 5 times 5 gives us 25 days. So 6 people will take 25 days. The next question read, a factory hired 48 laborers to complete a job in 24 hours. If 12 laborers failed to turn up for the job, how many more hours did those who turned up take to complete the same job? The factory had hired 48 laborers who were supposed to work for 24 hours to complete a certain job. Unfortunately, 12 laborers failed to turn up. So out of the 48 who had hired, 12 failed to not turn up. So let us take away and see how many laborers turned up. The number of laborers who turned up were that 6. So let us see that 6 laborers will take how many days? Cancel where possible. By 12, 3. By 12, 4. By 3, 1. By 3, 8. 4 times 8 gives us 32. So that 6 laborers will take 32 hours. But the question is asking, how many more hours did those who turn up take to complete the job? So if you take that 2, you subtract the initial hours, which you have 24 hours. You borrow 1, you're left with 2, becomes 12. 12 minus 4, 8. So there were 8 more hours. Similar question. A factory hires 12 workers to complete a piece of work in 5 hours. If 2 of the workers did not turn up, how long will it take to complete the work? So the factory had hired 12 workers to complete a job in 5 hours. We are told that 2 workers failed to turn up. The initial workers were 12. 12 take away 2, you get 10. Let us see how many hours will it take. By 5, 1. By 5, 2. By 2, 1. By 2, 6. So the 10 workers will take 6 hours. 16 workers can dig a field in 12 days. how many more workers are required so as to do the same work in 8 days. So 16 workers can do a certain job in 12 days. How many more workers are needed to do the work in 8 days? Counts were possible by 8-1 by 8-2. 2 times 12, 24. But the question is asking, how many more? The initial workers were 16, and you have 24 minus 16, which gives you 8 more workers. In our next question, we are told that 42 men were hired to repair a stretch of road in 14 days. How many more men should be hired if the work was to be finished in 12 days? We are told that 42 men working together will complete a certain job in 14 days. How many more men would be hired if the work was to be finished in 12 days? Counts were possible by 6-7, by 6-7, by 7-1, by runners, by 6-2, by 7-6, by 7-6. Runners, I'm very sorry, but you shall continue the way it is. By 6, we have said is 2. By 6, it is 7. By 2-1, by 2-7. 7 times 7 gives you 49. The question is asking, how many more men? The initial men we are 49, we are 42. Take away from 47, 42, you get 7. These questions are similar. Our next question says, 4 workers take 10 hours to complete a certain job. How many more workers would be hired in order that they do the same job in 2 hours? We have 4 workers taking 10 hours. And here now we have only 2 hours to do the work. So how many workers are required? By 2-1, by 2-5. 5 times 4, 20. So we require 20 workers, but already we have 4. How many more? It is 20 minus 4, which gives us 16. In our last question, question read, 18 people can take 72 days to complete a piece of work. If 2 of the people did not turn up for the work, how many more days would the remaining number of people working in the same rate take to complete the work? It will be our first, we have 18 people who work for 72 days. We are told that 2 of the workers did not turn up. So it is 18 minus 2, which gives us 16 people. Then you cancel where possible by 8, 2, by 8, 9, by 2, 1, by 2, 9. 9 times 9, 81 days. The question is asking, how many more workers? How many more? It is 81 minus 72. How many more days? 81 minus 72 days, which gives us 9 days. Learners, as you have seen, most of the question ask how many more? How many more? Whenever the question is asking how many more or how much longer or how much more, remember always to get the difference from the initial or the original value that had been given so that you get the correct answer. That marks the end of our lesson today about proportion. I hope when you follow the working and you listen carefully, you'll be able to further your education and you'll be able to solve very many questions. Thank you. Remember, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Until the next lesson.